Duale has denied reports that the government is constructing an Ebola quarantine center in Laikipia, despite claims that 7 American aid workers are already at the facility. Duale says government has instead strengthened preparedness measures to prevent a possible outbreak of the disease, which has claimed hundreds of lives in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Suzanne Locho has more.
Days after reports emerged claiming that 7 American aid workers involved in Ebola response efforts in the Democratic Republic of Congo were being quarantined in Kenya, the government has dismissed the claims. Health Cabinet Secretary Aden Duale says the proposed quarantine facility at the Laikipia airbase was never completed after court halted its construction following a petition filed by civil rights groups.
And I committed, and my lawyers committed, we have stopped the construction of the Laikipia quarantine station. That is the position of the government of Kenya.
Residents of Laikipia had earlier staged protests against the proposed facility, citing concerns over their safety. However, Duale says the country has 21 other operational quarantine facilities to help strengthen preparedness against infectious disease outbreaks. He also revealed that 21 government officials had previously been placed under quarantine after being exposed to Ebola risks.
The way you are more busy about the Americans, you should also be busy about asking the Kenya that have quarantined. So I will not. You can go to Western Kenya, you can go to Garissa, PGH, but we will not say it.
Duale spoke at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport while receiving a consignment of medical supplies donated by India.
So today we are very happy to provide on behalf of the Government of India to the Government of Kenya Ebola preventive equipments and items which will supplement the efforts of the Government of Kenya to prevent and contain the spread of Ebola virus disease.
Meanwhile, Uganda has gone more than 40 days without reporting a new Ebola case. In contrast, the Democratic Republic of Congo continues to battle the outbreak with more than 900 reported deaths. The Kenyan government says surveillance at border points, airports, and health facilities has been intensified to prevent Ebola from entering the country, with more than 720,000 tests already conducted. Even as the Kenyan government maintains that it has not recorded any Ebola case, it is confirmed that some people are under quarantine as a preparedness measure. But the question is the public receiving enough information to distinguish precaution from panic? Suzanne Locho for TV 47, Nairobi.